What is up, everybody, and welcome to the channel. As you can see, I'm in a rollback and I'm here with Jeff from Jeff's Auto Body and Customs, and we are headed out to
Bear Valley Enterprises.
Thank you, Bear Valley Enterprises, to pick up the frame. Yes, we decided to get the frame sandblasted or meat blasted, and we're headed out there to pick up the frame. So when we get there, we'll go inside, try and find, who are we supposed to see here?
Bob.
Bob. So we got to look for Bob once we get there. So you guys sit back, relax, enjoy the ride, and I'll meet you out at Bear Valley. Well, everybody, we made it out here to Bear Valley Enterprises to pick up the frame for our Sema build. But if you're new to the channel, please hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. But we're gonna go in, find Bob, and see if we get this frame all loaded up, and I'll see you here in a bit. Guys, we found the frame. We're getting out here. We're gonna load it up. And as you can see, that's Bob there in the background. He's the guy that does all the sandblasting out here. So if you have anything, I'll leave all his information along with Jeff's down in the description below. So hit them up if you're looking for any work to be done. So now we're gonna load the frame up onto the back of the rollback. All right, guys, we got the frame all loaded up, back up. We're getting ready to get back into the truck, and we're gonna take this frame back out to Jeff's Auto Body. So, like I said, once again, if you're new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. And if you need any media blasting, definitely check out this place. He gave me a little shop tour. I couldn't do a video because time restraints right now, but maybe we'll get back out here and do it again. Well, till next time, I'm Joe. Driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll with Wicked Fabz.